year we celebrate with stupid hats and plastic plates. The fact that you were able to make another trip around the sun. Happy birthday, now you're 1 year older. Happy birthday, your life still isn't over. You only need these 4 basic ukulele chords to play this song. Well, hello! If you're new here, I'm Lisa. I am the Ukulele Fool, foolishly believing that you need more than 1 birthday song in your repertoire. Let's get a little business out of the way. Make sure that you hit that thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell. It helps spread the ukulele love. And I want to give a big shout out to my patrons over on patreon.com. They make these videos possible, covering my expenses that I have as being a YouTuber, and then also I give them great exclusive content, lots of goodies, live sessions with me, and it starts at $3 a month. Please check it out. Well, this song is from a band out of Saskatchewan. They're called the Arrogant Worms, and this song really is irreverent. And I want to give a big shout out to Mary Wild, who introduced this song to me on one of my Friday night open mic and jam sessions. Thanks, Mary. You play G an awful lot. I do it with these 2 fingers in the 2nd fret on the C and A string, ring finger on the E string. Notice my hand goes up towards the headstock. There's also a D. I use these 3 fingers and stack them all up in a row on the 2nd fret of the G, C, and E string. There's also a C and an A7. If you have any problems with the G and D, I'll put a link up here and down below in the description box to a playlist that I have that has different ways to finger those chords. So I might have a way that'll work better for you. I'll show you a strumming pattern. Move my ukulele up so you can see it a little. I'm doing a bum diddy, bum diddy, bum diddy, bum diddy, bum diddy. I'll break it down for you so you get all the little subtleties there. The bum, or the first downstroke, is, I think of it almost more like a bounce. You are just going to bounce on the top 2 strings. So not a full all the way strum, just a bounce, bounce. Then the down up, or the diddy, those aren't equal in length. The di is longer than the e. Just say the words along with it. That'll help you a lot. So practice called backwards chaining. Bum diddy 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 bum. Just like that. However, if you find that just a little too challenging, well, you could just do a down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Or just do single dun, 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 dun. Follow your bliss, do what works for you. Grab your ukulele and play along with me. We are going to do the chords, just practicing those so you know how long things are held. This is called a box diagram, and we'll just follow along with it. Notice how regular the verses are. 1, 2, I'll keep it slow. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, and C, D, 2 G's. Nice and slowly. 1, 2, here we go. G, 2, C, 2, G, 2, 3, 4. It's G, 2, C, 2, and G. The Arrogant Worms throw in a little finger-picking riff that they do in the intro and then also after the chorus. So I thought I'd give us a little finger picking intro. Get ready to learn. Sounds like this. It is basically, if you know something about finger picking, it's an outside-inside variation. It is syncopated. So my thumb does both the G string and the C string. My index finger takes the E string, and then my middle finger takes the A string. Fingering a G chord, and I go G, A, E, C, E, G, A, E, C, E. And the rhythm is Scooby-Doo-wah-doo, Scooby-Doo-wah-doo, Scooby-Doo-wah-doo. And I then switch to the C chord and do that same pattern. Scooby-Doo-wah-doo. Then I do it on the D. Scooby-Doo-wah-doo. Then I end on a G chord and I go G string, A string, G string, 15 cents. Let's do it very slowly together. 1, 2, here, go. Scooby-Doo-wah-doo, 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 15 cents. Do it again. Scooby-Doo-wah-doo, 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 15 cents. If you can learn at the speed of what I just did, well, good for you. If not, and I find that not is very common, I have a comprehensive course on how to do that finger picking pattern and other finger picking patterns and kind of leading up to that. I'll put links down below on those, and you can always message me and see if there's any discount codes available. If you'd like to add a flourish at the end, you can put a little quote, shall we say, from Happy Birthday. Birthday, dear, what's your name? Second fret on your C string is a D. D, D, then you go to your open E, E, second fret on C, that D again, then put your third fret on the E string, G, then second fret on the E string, and you have that little quote, end it with a G chord. Let's do it together slowly, and ready, begin. D, D, E, D, G, F sharp, rest, G. Have fun with that. We're going to do it slower than the original. Let's give ourselves a fighting chance, huh? 1, 2, ready, begin. Once a year we celebrate with stupid hats and plastic plates. The fact that you were able to make another trip around the sun. And the whole clan gathers round and gifts and laughter do abound. We let out a joyful sound and sing that stupid song. Happy birthday, now you're 1 year older. Happy birthday, your life still isn't over. Happy birthday, you did not accomplish much, but you didn't die this year, I guess that's good enough. So let's drink to your fading health and hope you don't remind yourself. Chance of finding fame and wealth decrease with every year. Does it feel like you're doing laps and eating food and taking naps and hoping that someday perhaps your life will hold some cheer? by a block of ice. But instead your time is set. This is the only life you get. And though it hasn't ended yet, sometimes you wish it might. Happy birthday, you wish you had more money. Happy birthday, your life's so sad it's funny. Happy birthday, how much more can you take? But your friends are hungry, so just cut the stupid cake. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, dear, whatever your name is. I hope you did not find that song too irreverent. I have to say, I feel like I live a blessed and charmed life. Thank you so much to all my patrons. I love you so very much. And I do things that matter, and my patrons support me in that. I have charity goals. Just this year we sent off 6 ukuleles to a library in Western Australia with sturdy cases and all the stuff so that they can be checked out of the library, and they'll be doing group instruction there as well. I think I'm making a difference. I think the ukulele can make the world a better place, and I'm doing my darndest to do that. If you think that that's something that you'd like to be affiliated with, come join us on Patreon.